Good morning, everybody. We're going to do a craft, and today it's Friday about 10 o'clock. I got all dressed. It's cool here in Maine. It's barely 50. I was going to go work in the garden. I've only got a little bit more to do, and it started raining. I looked out and I'm like, oh, we're supposed to get showers today, but it's still coming down pretty good. So I'm going to have to wait for a while for things to dry out, then I'll have to go. So I thought I would do a craft. Okay, I'm going to bring you down and we're going to go from there. I've never made one of these before. I see things, I snap pictures, and I love gnomes. So if you see my craft dresser right here, right there, on top is some crafts I've completed and more crafts to come. Okay, I'm going to bring you down. I think you can see. Oops, let me see. Do I got to go back? I've got to go back just a little bit. Okay, you need a styrofoam cone. You need a sock. Actually, I wanted a sock orange and mushroom, but I couldn't. This is a whirligig. You want to go down about 3 inches and cut it. I'm going to keep this in case I need it for another project. You need a glue gun. If you don't have anything to make a nose, which I've got a cotton ball, a big one, and I'm going to make my own nose out of a pair of pantyhose. Yep, so don't throw away your pantyhose, ladies. There's lots of uses you can use for them. I'm just going to take something like this. And I'm going to cut it. I like to buy these little tiny elastics. And I think we will go maybe this color. And see if this will fit over. Oops, I didn't know I'd cut it already once. We'll see if it works. It looks like it may. I think it is. Just like this. I think this will work. Take the small elastic. You want to bring it around. And you're making the nose. Just like this. Whoops. And if you want to put a little twine or something, you can do that. Actually, I thought I do have twine, but I'm not going to use it. And you need a ball of twine, and you're going to see what for. Okay, now I want to just kind of shape up the nose a little. Then what you want to do, you want to cut off your excess. About right there. So we're all done with this. We can get that out of the way. We're all done with that. So, see, got my hot glue going right here. Just like that. So, you want to cut the toe off. You want to cut this toe off. Cut it straight across. These scissors are getting very dull. Just like this. Get that out of the way. Okay. So what you want to do now is take your cone. You want to stick it in the sock. You want the heel to the back. See where I'm going with this? I'm going to leave this like this. Just like this. I'm going to bring this down like this. You just want to play with the heel a little bit and tuck it under. You want to tuck the heel under so you can't see it. Just like that. Make sure I got enough up here. I think I do. And that looks good here. I wished I could have found the mushroom socks, but I couldn't. We're going to cut some of this off. We don't need so much of this on here. Again, I'm a person that can do something by looking at a picture and putting my own twist on it. I do not follow directions very well. I'm a hands-on gal. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're just going to take this and we're going to fold it in. So we're going to take hot glue like this. Hopefully I don't burn myself. I've gotten so many burns with a hot glue gun. If you have ice water when you're working, it sure does help from not getting a burn. Okay. Now it should stick down just like that. We'll hold it here for a second. Just like this. Okay, can you all see where I'm going with this yet? Okay. Push that over just a little bit. Then we're going to take this. Whoa, sorry. We're going to insert this kind of in the middle. This is a twirly gig. Going to insert this in. I should have started it with a hole first, but I didn't know until now. But now I do. I just don't have the strength in me like I used to. That's all right. I'm going to stop it so I can get it down in and be right back. Okay, what I did is I used this, pushed it down so I could get it in without pushing so hard. Sometimes you got to think. Look at this. Do you know where I'm going yet? Okay. This is going to be the front. Okay, like this. We got enough still to twirl. And pull it down just a little bit. Okay. Then, let me see here. How do I want to do this? I think an elastic would work the best. I don't have a burnt orange. Oh, wait, I kind of got a burnt orange right here. I love these elastics. Okay, then we're going to go like this. Stay with me now. Stay with me. Just pulling it up like this. Okay. Stay with me. You got it so far? Okay. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take a small piece of twine. And make sure this is cut good. Cut and secured well with a tie. There, I think that's good. just like that. Okay, do that. And you see, I'm going to cut it right here and cut it right here. Can you all see where I'm going with this? Maybe I need to come up just a little bit. There, come up just a little bit. Tied it in the back with a little loop. Okay. We got the heel there, so we're going to take a little bit of hot glue. And we're just going to beat it along like that. Just to hold that there. Okay, you all following me still? Looks good. We're going to take the nose. Where do I want to put the nose? I think we're going to put it right there. We're going to take the nose. I'm going to put some hot glue on it right there. Okay, you all with me? We're going to put it right here. Let me hold it for a minute. I think it's stopping raining now, so when I get done with this, I'll go to the garden. Got to get that garden in. Got to get it all finished up. Okay. I just want to put a little bit of glue down here. Secure it good, just like this. Y'all following me still? I gotta look at it like this. Gotta put a little bit over here. Just a little bit like this. Okay, then we're going to take a piece of twine. You can take twine or you can take a small piece of wire. And, oops. It's getting me here. And you can hang it right up like this. And there you go. You got a gnome, and when you put it, you can put it in a tree, put it on the porch, put it wherever you'd like. It's not dry yet. But let me show you what I'm talking about. You can hang it on a hanger, hang it off a plant, hang it off a curtain rod, hang it wherever. This would make a nice little gift for somebody, especially if they're a football fan. But here's a gnome, simple and easy, and it's made with a whirligig. Oh, she's whirling all around. I'm just trying to make her nose, his nose look pretty. So there you have it. I want a good picture right there. There is a gnome. So you got the step-by-steps. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share out my videos. You never know what's going to be on my channel. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye now.